LangChain versus LlamaIndex, which one is better? Now, AI-powered tools are advancing quickly. Two of the most talked about frameworks are LangChain and LlamaIndex. Let's see which one is better for your AI projects. First, let's talk about LangChain. It focuses on building applications powered by a large language model. It's a comprehensive framework for chaining tasks, integrating APIs, managing memory, and handling conversational agents. It's perfect for developers building complex, intelligent workflows. Meanwhile, for LlamaIndex, formerly known as GPT Index, specializes in connecting large language models to external data sources. It excels in structuring, indexing, and query data for better context retrieval in AI models. It's ideal if you're working with unstructured or large datasets. Now let's talk about their key differences. First is their primary use case. LangChain is more general purpose, offering tools to build full-scale AI applications. LlamaIndex is tailored for improving data retrieval and contextual relevance in AI systems. For complexity, LangChain offers broad flexibility but can be overwhelming for beginners. LlamaIndex is more focused, making it easier for specific tasks like knowledge-based creation. LangChain is versatile for building end-to-end workflows. LlamaIndex shines in projects that rely on data-heavy applications. And so, which one is better? If you're building a versatile AI app with multiple components, LangChain is the better choice. If your project revolves around connecting AI to data sources, LlamaIndex is the way to go. And so, what are you working on? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.